Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Virgo and what's going on? What's going on, Virgo? What are the messages for Virgo? It's sign. Page of Swords and Eight of Wands. So there is a lot of spying going between you and your person. Your person is spying on you on social media. They're watching you. They're wondering about you a lot. And they want to communicate with you. That's why maybe they're waiting for the right time. They keep tabs on you, Virgo. Yeah, maybe your person is immature. For some children also involved in this connection. So Virgo, let's see your reading. Recent past, Four of Pentacles, Four of Cups and Five of Cups. So I think you decided to holding back because there are some issues between you and your person. That's why you are not accepting the cup of love which is offering by your person. You are not accepting, but your inner feeling, you are feeling sad because maybe there is no trust between both of you. They backstabbed you, maybe they cheated on you. You find something about your person. That's why you are holding back and you decided not to accept this offer. Maybe they cheated on you. For some, the third party situation is also involved in this connection. Then present, Five of Swords, King of Pentacles and High Priestess. You are listening to your intuition. You are trusting your intuition. So Five of Swords, definitely they backstabbed on you. Maybe they cheated on you. There is something happening between you and your person. That's why you are holding back. You're more concentrating on your career, King of Pentacles. So you want to overcome this pain, Five of Cups energy. Then you are concentrating on your career. And you are focusing on your financial stability. And High Priestess, maybe your intuition telling something about your person. Maybe your person is a player, non-committal, in and out of your life, Virgo. Then future, Knight of Swords, Eight of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. They keep putting you in a waiting mode, Seven of Pentacles energy. You are fed up with this energy, literally. That's why you decided to walk away. Already in past, you rejected this offer. For some, definitely your person will come again because Knight of Swords, they're rushing to communicate with you. Then you decided to walk away. In near future, you will walk away because there is no commitment. There is no equal give and take. There is no point to continue. That's why you decided to walk away from this person because this waiting period is very, very irritating for you. This waiting causing lot of anxiety and depression for you because waiting. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Virgo, what's going between you and your person. Chariot, and the person involved in this connection could be Cancer also. Yeah, they're coming back. They keep tabs on you. They want to communicate with you. For sure. So let's see your person feelings towards you, Virgo. Yeah, right now they're feeling stuck. They're stuck on you. They can't let you go. They can't move on from you. And Six of Cups, they keep thinking about you a lot. For some, this could be past life connection. You both should have past life connection with each other, Six of Cups, but they are thinking about you a lot and they are stuck on you. And Seven of Wands, they will fight for your attention, they can't move on from you. Yeah, for some your person already financially stable, well settled person. So let's see their actions towards you. That's why they are watching you, because they're feeling stuck, they are unable to make any move, but they can't move on from you. See, they're obsessed with you heavily. Yeah, lot of thinking, and Emperor is here. Maybe for some your person have ego problems because they may be a powerful and grounded person. So Five of Wands, the Devil, and Two of Wands. For some this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, and there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person, but they will fight for your attention for sure, Virgo, because Seven of Wands and Five of Wands is here, and the Devil. So this person is very dominative in this connection. They're obsessed with you. Definitely they're lot of obsession. They're heavily obsessed with you and they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe you walked away, then they started realize you both. But for some this person may be toxic for you because the Devil energy is here. And again they want to become as a passion. They have a lot of passion, but I am not seeing any commitment like King of Cups, the type of energy. Yeah, they want you back. That's why there is no commitment, clear commitment. That's why you decided to walk away. There is no clarity in this connection. They're obsessed with you. They're attracted towards you, but there is no clarity. Clarity is missing. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, right now they are not talking to you. They are healing themselves. And again, King of Wands. Yeah. So, and Knight of Swords. Communication is coming for sure. So, they are very attracted to you. And your person is very career-oriented, passionate energy. They have very passionate energy towards you. Even though they are healing, they are thinking about you. They are very attracted to you. But for some, this person may be toxic for you. Keep in mind. That's why you decided to walk away. Yeah, see, Seven of Swords, sneaky, and Knight of Wands. See, this is they're very attracted to you. There is a lot of passion. They are very passionate about you, but there is no commitment because Knights always comes and go. There is no constant in their behavior. And Four of Wands, maybe for some you could be twin flames. Coming, going, that type of energy. And Seven of Swords. Yeah, maybe this person playing games with you. Maybe this person is player. Be careful. I think they are missing your attention, Virgo. Yeah, they're missing your attention because you are very caring and giving an emotional person, but now you cut them off. One person cut the other person off in this connection, and one person realizing the other person worth right now. So let's see your overall energy. But still you both have emotions for each other because the mutual card is Queen of Cups. So Virgo, let's see your overall energy for the week. Yeah, you are stuck on you and you are spiritually awakening. You stand by your power. You are very grounded. And there is celebration and you may be juggling to make some decision. Two of Pentacles. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. See, Ten of Wands. Maybe they are busy with their career right now. But communication will come for sure. Yeah, again Knight of Swords. They are rushing towards you to communicate with you. Maybe your person is a player because Magician is a manipulator. Yeah. But again, they will come back to offer this. But they will put you in Seven of Pentacles energy waiting mode. So then it's up to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Virgo. age difference, mask, C. Family issues, friendship, all I want is you. And so these are the messages. For some you both have age difference and friendship. For some your person maybe treated you as a friend and they wearing mask, and family issues for some your person maybe will come again and say all I want is you, for getting your attention. Keep in mind, because 7 of Swords, something is sneaky and they will toxic. This person is toxic for you. Be careful. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Virgo. Confidence is your key to success. So be confident while you are doing work. While you're doing anything, be confident. Just be confident. And this is key to your success. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.